Most people picking a car for their retirement years are doing it completely wrong. They walk into a dealership, they get handed a monthly payment number, and they drive off thinking they made a smart choice. But here is what nobody tells you. The purchase price is only the beginning. What actually wrecks a fixed income budget is everything that comes after: the maintenance, the repairs, the software subscriptions, the parts that cost 3 times more than they should. And we are not talking about cheap cars here. We are talking about luxury SUVs, the ones seniors actually want to drive, the ones with the smooth ride, the easy entry, the advanced safety tech. The good news is that 3 of them cost almost nothing to keep running. And today, we are going to break down exactly which ones and why, starting from number 3 down to the single best pick of all. Number 3 on this list is the Lexus RX, and if you have been doing any research at all on reliable luxury vehicles, this name probably already came up. There is a reason for that. The Lexus RX has been one of the most consistent performers in long-term reliability studies for well over a decade, and the 2025 and 2026 models continue that tradition without apology. But let us go beyond the reputation and get into the actual numbers, because that is where the story really gets interesting. The average 5-year ownership cost for a Lexus RX comes in around $6, $800 in maintenance and repairs. That is not a typo. For a vehicle with a starting price around $48,000, that kind of number is almost unheard of in the luxury segment. By comparison, a BMW X5 owner can expect to spend closer to $15,000 to $17,000 over the same 5-year period. That gap does not shrink over time. It widens. And for someone living on a pension or a carefully managed retirement portfolio, that difference is not just a number on a spreadsheet. It is real money that stays in your pocket instead of going straight to a service department. Now let us talk about why seniors specifically gravitate toward the RX and why it makes so much practical sense for that stage of life. The seating position is almost perfectly calibrated for easy entry and exit. You are not dropping down into a low sports car seat, and you are not climbing up into a truck cab either. It sits at a height that works naturally for most adults over 60, and the doors open wide with a smooth, controlled motion that does not feel like a workout every single time you get behind the wheel. The interior is also genuinely quiet. Lexus has put serious engineering effort into cabin insulation across multiple generations of this vehicle, and the result is a ride that feels almost isolated from the outside world. Road noise, wind noise, engine noise, all of it is pushed so far into the background that long drives stop feeling exhausting. For seniors who deal with any degree of hearing sensitivity, or who simply value a calm driving environment, this matters more than most reviewers ever give it credit for. The safety technology on the current RX is also worth spending real time on. The Lexus Safety System Plus package is standard equipment across the entire lineup, which means you are not paying extra or stepping into a more expensive trim just to unlock the features that actually matter. Pre-collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, radar cruise control that maintains speed and following distance automatically, and automatic high beams are all included from day one. These are not gimmicks added to a spec sheet. These are tools that genuinely reduce cognitive load behind the wheel, and for older drivers who may be navigating heavier traffic or putting more miles on than they expected in retirement, that built-in support system is worth real money even if it never appears on a single maintenance invoice. One more thing on the RX that does not get talked about enough is the hybrid powertrain option, which most buyers are now choosing as their default. The RX 350h returns close to 37 miles per gallon in real-world mixed driving, and the hybrid battery comes with coverage for 10 years or 150,000 miles. The regenerative braking system also means the physical brake pads last significantly longer than in a conventional vehicle, sometimes twice as long under normal driving conditions. That alone saves several $100s per service visit, and those savings compound fast over a decade of ownership. The standard service intervals on the RX are also notably generous, with oil changes pushed out to 10 zeros-in-mile intervals, which means fewer trips to the dealership and fewer opportunities for unnecessary upsells. And when the time eventually comes to sell or trade in, Lexus vehicles retain their value at a rate that German luxury buyers can only dream about. The resale picture over 5 years is strong enough that it meaningfully reduces the true total cost of ownership when you calculate it honestly. The advanced parking assist system, the 360-degree camera, and the wide adjustability of the driver's seat and steering column round out a package that has clearly been engineered with genuine long-term usability in mind. The Lexus RX is not the flashiest choice on this list, and it does not try to be. What it is one of the most consistently intelligent long-term purchases available in the luxury SUV market right now. Number 2 on this list is the Acura MDX, and this one deserves considerably more attention than it typically gets in conversations about senior-friendly vehicles. Acura is Honda's luxury division, and that relationship matters enormously when you start looking at what ownership actually costs over time. Honda has spent decades building some of the most mechanically reliable powertrains in the automotive industry, and those same engines and transmissions sit underneath the MDX badge, with a more refined exterior and a more premium interior wrapped around them. The result is a 3-row luxury SUV that offers genuinely premium features and a genuinely premium driving experience while carrying the maintenance expectations of a Honda, not a European luxury brand. The 5-year ownership cost for an Acura MDX comes in around $7,200 in maintenance and repair expenses. That number is slightly higher than the Lexus RX, but it is still dramatically lower than virtually every German or British competitor in the same price range. A Mercedes GLE owner over the same 5-year window is like looking at somewhere between $14,000 and $18,000 in service costs, depending on how many things go wrong. And things do go wrong with European luxury vehicles, at a rate that should make any budget-conscious buyer very uncomfortable. The Acura MDX avoids that pattern almost entirely. For seniors specifically, the MDX has some practical advantages that the RX simply does not offer. It seats 3 rows of passengers, which means grandchildren, visiting family members, and longer road trips with multiple passengers are all handled comfortably and without asking anyone to squeeze into an impossible position. The second-row seats are particularly well designed for accessibility. They slide forward easily on well-engineered tracks to allow third-row entry, and they return to their original position without a fight. This sounds like a small mechanical detail, but for someone who is not as flexible as they used to be, or who has any degree of back or hip discomfort, the physical mechanics of passenger entry and exit matter a great deal more than most automotive reviews bother to acknowledge. The ride height also sits at a point that requires neither a significant drop nor a serious climb to get comfortably seated, which adds up to a meaningful quality of life difference over years of daily use. The MDX comes standard with a suite of active safety features that Acura calls Acura Watch: collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow capability, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation are all part of the base package without requiring a trim upgrade. The system works quietly and without being intrusive, which is exactly what you want from technology designed to back you up rather than replace your judgment. One area where the MDX stands out in a way that specifically benefits older buyers is the infotainment interface. Acura has preserved physical buttons and knobs for the most commonly used functions, including temperature adjustment, volume control, and basic audio selection, which means you are not navigating through layers of touchscreen menus while trying to keep your eyes on the road. This might seem like a minor design preference, but it represents a real safety advantage for drivers who find complex touchscreen interfaces frustrating or distracting. The standard 3, 5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine produces 290 horsepower and has been one of Honda's most proven engine families for years. There are no turbochargers adding mechanical complexity, just a clean and well-understood powertrain that mechanics know intimately and that parts are available for at sensible prices. The MDX starts at around $62,000 for the base trim, which is a meaningful step up in purchase price. But when you factor in the 3-row capability, the dramatically lower maintenance costs versus European alternatives, and the deep well of long-term reliability data behind the Honda nameplate, the value proposition holds up with very little argument. Dealers are currently sitting on reasonable MDX inventory levels, which means buyers have real room to negotiate and can realistically expect to land below sticker without significant effort. Number 1 on this list, the absolute best luxury SUV for seniors looking to minimize long-term costs while maximizing comfort, technology, and peace of mind, is the Genesis GV80. And if that name surprised you, that reaction is exactly why this vehicle deserves the top spot. Genesis is Hyundai's luxury brand, and just like Acura benefits from Honda's engineering culture, Genesis benefits from one of the most dramatic quality improvement stories in the automotive industry over the past 15 years. Hyundai has gone from a brand people dismissed without hesitation to a brand that consistently earns top scores in reliability surveys and long-term ownership studies, and Genesis takes that foundation and wraps it in a genuinely world-class luxury package that can credibly stand alongside vehicles costing tens of thousands more. The GV80 starts at around $58, zeros out and climbs well past $70,000 in the fully loaded prestige trim. But here is what makes the ownership math extraordinary for a buyer paying close attention. Genesis backs every new vehicle with a warranty structure that is essentially unmatched anywhere in the luxury segment. You get 5 years or 60,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper coverage, 10 years or 100 Zune miles of powertrain coverage, and complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 3 years of ownership. That last point is not a marketing footnote. It means oil changes, tire rotations, and standard factory-scheduled service visits are covered at no cost to the owner for the first 36 months. For a senior buyer managing expenses carefully on a fixed income, that is a real and concrete monthly budget benefit from the moment you sign the paperwork. Over 3 years, depending on the service schedule, that included maintenance program can represent $500 to $2. $500 in genuine out-of-pocket savings with no asterisks and no fine print. Beyond the warranty, the GV80 has been building a strong reliability track record across multiple model years. The 5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 options have both proven durable in real-world ownership, and data from Consumer Reports and JD Power has consistently placed the GV80 above the segment average for reliability. Owner forums and long-term reviews reflect a similar story. These are not flawless vehicles, no vehicle is, but the rate and severity of issues reported by GV80 owners is notably lower than what you find from Audi, BMW, or Mercedes buyers in the same price range, and the cost to address those issues when they do occur is significantly more reasonable as well. The interior of the GV80 is where this vehicle really earns its luxury billing. The cabin quality is exceptional by any reasonable standard. Premium, soft-touch surfaces are used throughout the design rather than just in the areas where your hands land first. The seats offer broad and fully adjustable lumbar support that genuinely helps on longer drives, and the panoramic sunroof creates a sense of openness and light that makes the space feel considerably larger than its physical footprint suggests. Noise isolation is outstanding. Genesis has invested heavily in acoustic engineering across the GV80 platform, and the result is a cabin that rivals the quietest European luxury vehicles in terms of how much of the outside world actually reaches the occupants. For a senior buyer who plans to spend meaningful time in this vehicle, and who values calm, quiet, unhurried travel as a baseline expectation rather than a luxury bonus. The GV80 delivers at a level that is genuinely hard to match at this price. The Genesis Connected Services platform adds a layer of practical connectivity that matters in a specific way for older buyers and their families. Remote vehicle status monitoring, location tracking, and diagnostic data are all accessible through a smartphone application, which means adult children or other family members can stay informed about the vehicle's condition. The system also includes automatic crash notification, an SOS call capability built into the vehicle itself, working independently of whether the driver has a functioning phone in the moment. Monthly vehicle health reports proactively flag developing maintenance needs before they become serious or expensive problems. And for a buyer who wants to stay ahead of issues rather than react to them after the fact, that kind of early warning is genuinely valuable. The available head-up display projects speed, navigation guidance, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield, which reduces the need to glance away from the road for basic information. Massaging front seats, available in higher trims, address a practical comfort concern for drivers who spend extended time behind the wheel. The GV80 also operates through a buying experience that tends to be considerably more transparent and lower pressure than what buyers encounter at most traditional dealerships, which is worth factoring into the decision for seniors who may feel less comfortable with aggressive sales environments. The sum of all of these elements, the warranty, the reliability record, the cabin quality, the safety technology, and the included ownership benefits, makes the Genesis GV80 a package that is simply difficult to argue against in the context of what senior buyers actually need from a vehicle right now. So there you have it. 3 luxury SUVs that offer a smooth, comfortable, and genuinely premium driving experience, without the brutal maintenance bills that follow most luxury brands home from the dealership. The Lexus RX earns its spot with decades of proven reliability and a hybrid powertrain that cuts long-term running costs down to almost nothing. The Acura MDX brings 3-row versatility and Honda-grade mechanical dependability wrapped in a genuinely upscale and well-thought-out package. And the Genesis GV80 tops the list with an ownership experience that is almost aggressively designed to protect the buyer's budget from day one, starting with 3 years of complimentary maintenance and backed by the best powertrain warranty available anywhere in the luxury segment right now. If you are shopping for a luxury SUV and long-term ownership costs matter to you, these are the 3 names you need on your test drive list. If this kind of breakdown was useful, hit the like button and subscribe. More content exactly like this is coming, and you do not want to miss it.